What's up, Reverend? Welcome back. Today I got a JBL Go3 Bluetooth speaker. Alright, let's check this out. Strolling through Best Buy one day, I was looking at something else and go down the aisle. Nobody was in it, so I picked that aisle to go down. We all know how that works in a store. So I walked down the aisle with all the portable speakers, the nice house speakers, the outdoor ones, indoor ones, whatever. And I happened to catch this thing. And it is on sale from $49.99 to $29.99. Okay. Let's check this thing out. They had it out on the display case where you can hit the button underneath it and you can hear it, change the track, change the song, hear the different sounds, the different bass that comes out of this thing. And this thing sounded awesome right there in a huge open space. So on a small indoor space, this little thing will kick. So I'm going to rip this out of the box here. It's the first time taking it out. I've had it for about 2 weeks now. So, right in the box there, you can see everything is packed in there. Looks like we got a whole tray. Whole tray, everything comes right out of the package. That's pretty cool. So, let's put that aside. Right here, I believe we got our books. They're all rolled up here. I hate that. You got your charger wire, it says JBL right on it. Well, you got your 2 books, your quick start guide. That's important. Everything you need to know will be in there. And you got your product registration and your safety warning. Safety warning for a Bluetooth speaker that is waterproof and dustproof. Comes with the biggest safety measures. We get rid of that. Startup guide we'll keep by. We'll keep close by in case we need it. See how it opens up. And it's in every single language known to man or woman. Careful. On the planet. So let's check this out. Let's rip this thing out. Look, it's got a little rope right there out the side. It doesn't go in. It doesn't hide anywhere. But it's actually, look at it. Didn't even think about it. Put my finger right through it and held right onto it. This thing feels awesome in the hands. Great material. And I really thought this was magnetic. Nope. Guess I'm wrong on that. Anyhow, so you got your grip. Your grip's right there in the bottom. It's a little raised rubber pieces. And you got your charger port there. I believe that is a USB-C. That is a USB-C connection right there in the bottom. So let's check out how do we turn this thing on. So on the side here we have a power button, a Bluetooth button, and it just says Go3 on there. So we hold down the power button and it's just flashing there. Oh, I don't know if you can hear that. Nope, won't do it again. Let's turn it off. That's a cool little sound. So I'm going to hold the button down, turn it on, hopefully you can hear it. Ooh. Beeps twice like that. Wouldn't really call that a beep, would you? But yeah, I know this thing rocks pretty well. I connected my phone in the store. I'm not going to do it here because I've never connected it, so I have to go through this whole pairing process. And yes, this is the matching number. We all know how that works. I just don't want to do it and take up too much of your time. So this JBL Go3 Bluetooth portable speaker, waterproof, dustproof, all of that. So all I wanted to show off today. If you like the video, hit the like button down below, hit the subscribe, hit the bell. Every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and some new days added here and there. Check us out. We'll see you soon. Thank you.